Yes, good day class, good day class. I got a useful video for you guys if you're 3D designing and if you're 3D printing and if you want to model things. I'm going to show you how to engrave on any one of your 3D models. Engrave, aka emboss. So let's get into it real quick. So we're going to go to add, top left, mesh, a cube. Okay, now we're going to size our cube S, Y, because we want to. Right there. Let's bring it up, GZ, and we're gonna right click it, shade auto smooth. We got that. Now we're gonna add a text. R to spin it, Z, there you go, to spin along the Z axis. G, Z, bring it up. Let's just fix this up a little bit. Now we don't want it to say text, so we're gonna go to object mode, edit mode. Let's hide the cube. The Black Digital Nomad. Go back to object mode, right click, convert to mesh. Right click, shade auto smooth. All right, we're gonna go over to the modifier panel over here, right panel, add modifier. We're gonna go to generate. We're gonna decimate. And the reason why we're gonna decimate it is because we need the least amount of details to make this work, or else it's gonna mess up our final result. So as you can see right here, we got a face count of 615. We want this down. So let's click over to planar, 34 face count. Bomb, that's perfect, right? Make sure you apply it by going to this arrow that points down and going to apply. Now we gotta apply, we're gonna add another modifier, generate, okay, solidify, and we're gonna change this to 0.2. All right, it should look like that. As you can see, it made it give a puffy type of look, so no problem. Right click, shade auto smooth, bomb, we fixed it. Now we're gonna bring back our cube. Let's bring our cube back in, and let's bring this over to size it to the cube. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna bring this down into our cube. So let me just change the color of the cube just so, you know, we're able to see this a little better. I personally bring it like halfway in. Now select your cube, go over to the modifier tab, the wrench, bomb. We're gonna apply that, and we're gonna add modifier boolean or boolean. Now over here, you're gonna make sure this is on difference, and we're gonna select the text. So as you can see, it kind of looks like that. We don't like that, so let's shade auto smooth the box. That should have fixed it. All you have to do, because we just booleaned it, so we're going to select that and make it disappear. There you go. So we can fine tune this even further if we like. With the cube selected, we're going to add another modifier, add modifier, generate, and we're gonna go to bevel, right? And as you can see, after the bevel, it just looks a lot more fine tuned. You get me? It looks a lot more nicer. And let's make sure that the offset is chosen, and we're gonna change this to something pretty low, like 0.005. And we're gonna change the segments from about 4 to 5. So there's 4. As you can see, we're getting an even cleaner bevel right now. All right, folks, so that is how you are able to emboss or engrave on any image. So let's just change the color of this so it looks a little bit better. Let's bring it here. Let's see if we bring the metallic up. Oh, look at that, look at that. Jeez, I really like that. I like the look of that because it is embossed. It's really good. Now, I know people are gonna say, what's the big deal about this? Like who cares kind of? But let me explain why it's really good. Because if you're to 3D print this right now, this is how it would be. It would be embossed in here. And I've done this myself, and people actually like things like this. They just like it. You know, it's engraved. Yes, so that's it. That's how you engrave or emboss. So if you learned something today, hit the like. If you want to keep learning with the channel, hit the subscription, turn the notification bell on. And until next time, keep learning and keep teaching. See ya.